In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google Map into your Notion page. It's a quick and easy process, so let's dive in and get started right away. First, you'll want to head over to Google Maps. This can be accessed through your web browser or the Google Maps app. But for our purposes here, using a browser is the way to go. Once you have it open, take a moment to think about the location you're interested in embedding. This could be any place, whether it's a favorite restaurant, a cozy park, a famous landmark, or even just a general area you need to highlight. With the location in mind, use the search bar at the top to find what you're looking for. Google Maps will do its magic, displaying the location along with all sorts of useful information. Once you've settled on the spot you want, you need to locate and copy the URL at the top of your browser window. This URL is essentially your map link, and it can be used to bring this Google Map into other digital spaces, like Notion, with ease. Now, let's transition back over to your Notion workspace. You should have your page open where you want to embed the map. Simply click on the spot where you'd like the map to appear. It could be in a particular section of your page, or anywhere that logically fits into the content you're curating. Once you've clicked, paste the URL you copied from Google Maps right there in the space. After pasting the link, a pop-up will quickly appear. This is Notion's intuitive interface helping guide you to create an embed. From the options provided, select Create Embed. And just like that, Notion will work its magic, displaying a live, interactive Google Map directly on your page. What's great about this feature is the flexibility. You can resize or reposition the map just like any other block within Notion. This helps you maintain the aesthetic and functional flow of your page. With the map successfully embedded, you've unlocked a new layer of interactivity and visual interest for your content. This can be particularly useful for planning trips, organizing events, or sharing precise locations with your team, collaborators, or audience. If you ever need to update the location, maybe the event venue changes, or you've found a better spot to highlight, simply go through the same steps again with your new map link. It's all about keeping your information relevant and useful. With that, you're now equipped with the skills to embed maps seamlessly into Notion, adding a dynamic element to your pages.